One of the other cool things that we can do with Mathematica is actually calculating confidence intervals. So let's bring in this package of needs hypothesis testing. Let's look at some, again, random variate normal distribution, mean of 10, a standard deviation of 5, and 100 samples. So we could actually ask for the mean confidence interval, mean CI, of this R list 1. So let's look at what does mean CI mean. What is the... So it's giving me the 95 confidence interval. I can do and actually specify a confidence interval as well. So if I want a 99% confidence interval, we should actually see or expect that this should increase. So if I want confidence level, let's say 0.90. So it would decrease if it's 95, be this. If it's 99, increase even more. So 95%, if we just do mean CI, got this. CI here, we'll get the same result effectively. You can actually see this and see that it's very similar, but not exactly the same as our 95% confidence interval that you calculate from z-table values. Again, it's the rounding of essentially that z value here. You could even look at basically the student confidence interval as well, and we see that this matches. So again, this is taking into account the large data sets, but if you're using smaller data sets, you can calculate using the student t-value as well. So let's kind of continue on with this. So let's do a t-test. Actually, next video, we'll get into the t-test comparison. We're going to spell that correctly. And p-values, and seeing whether the samples are statistically significant or not. So see you in the next video.